Kung hindi mo pa nata-try yung Cafe Breton, eto talaga, bakit? Ang sarap-sarap kaya ng crepes nila dito. Robinson's Magnolia yung go-to branch namin kasi bukod sa malapit, super babait ng staff dito. Here's everything we ate. Let's go! Matik na agad sa butter and sugar with lemon. So simple yet so good. Sure na pasado din sa kids, our niece love this. This time I wanted to try the Galette Breton. It has spinach, sauteed shrimps and crab meat, fresh cream and Gruyere cheese. Lasang-lasa yung seafood dito pero balance pa rin yung flavors with the other components. Buckwheat crepe yung gamit so may pagka-nutty siya and yung texture talaga the best. Thin and light with slightly crispy edges, smooth and delicate naman inside. Best paired with their hot sauce pa. Sister number 2 naman ordered La Primavera Veggie Scramble na may 3 eggs scrambled with tomatoes, mushrooms, and spinach. Topped with Gruyere, served with butter toast, pretty basic pero happy naman daw siya. And do you know na pwede ka mag-DIY ng sarili mong crepe? Ang fun, 'di ba? Sister number 3 chose the buckwheat galette, may ham, sauteed onions, mushrooms, and asparagus with